In my early 20s, I was making a lot of art that I wasn't really excited about because I was making the art that I thought you were supposed to make as an artist. And then one day, my friend and I were sitting at a diner in the afternoon, and I drew Wendy on a placemat. I just wanted to draw something to make me and my friend laugh. And it gave me more joy than any art that I had made for like years. And I didn't even really consider it art. I considered it like something to do outside of art. Wendy is a version of myself, I suppose, but she's kind of become her own person too. And although she's inspired by the goings-on in my life and my life experiences, I almost feel like we've become two different people at this point. So I used to think there was a difference between the fine art aspect of my art practice and my comic art practice. And I always tried to make them separate, but now I realize that's totally unavoidable. One thing that's really bizarre about writing Wendy is that sometimes I will draw something on the page, and then later on it'll happen to me in real life. So the blurring between reality and fiction, it's also like temporal and through time somehow. I've been told that Wendy is relatable, and I think it's because she's written as somebody whose vulnerabilities are all just there on the surface. And I think people can relate to that like sense of shame and humiliation. But she also picks herself up after every page and carries on.